To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your RZR XP, follow these steps. Always allow the engine to cool completely before performing this procedure. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface in a well-ventilated area and ensure the transmission is in park. Next, remove the 4 cargo box fasteners. Then lift the cargo box up and remove from the vehicle. Next, remove the 2 fasteners holding the plug shield in place. After this, remove the 2 plug covers. Before continuing, blow any dirt or debris out of the spark plug wells with compressed air to prevent anything from falling into the cylinders. Next, rinse the plug wells with water and dry with compressed air. Then carefully loosen the spark plugs and remove from the vehicle. If reusing, take note of the cylinders they were installed in for reinstallation. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Also inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for recommended spark plugs. Also, apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the coil end where it connects to the spark plug. Next, install the spark plugs into the engine and torque to specification. Before continuing, verify that the connections are properly secured, ensuring that they are clicked into place. Then, reinstall the 2 plug covers. After this, reinstall the plug shield with the 2 retained fasteners. Next, reinstall the cargo box by aligning the mounting holes. Reinstall the 4 mounting fasteners and torque to specification. Finally, start the engine to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.